Y'all, this has got to be the worst set of dating profiles I have done to date. I am wearing my hoodie. I'm wearing some glasses to block out some of the dust. I believe that I have probably caught asthma and it might be contagious. This is your trigger warning right now because most of these pictures are going to trigger you. So, this is your trigger warning. These are bad. These are terrible. Starting off strong with Cassidy, and actually all of them are pretty strong and wrong. And I don't even want to act like we're going to correct these. I'm just showing you the profiles at this point. We just want them to keep these profiles as is because everybody needs to see the dust. Cassidy, who's 42. I I'm a single father. I don't have to say anymore. I'm Black Americans mixed with Sonoma. I do smoke 420 only. I do have missing teethings because of the long true story, but I truly hate racist people. My daughter is a full mixed child. Please, anyone, try to get to know me before you start judging my skin color or my book. I'm Pisces. I really stay home. I don't go outside much anymore because I really don't have any friends anymore and I don't have any family members come over check on me anymore. This that's Cassidy, who's 42, and he's 5'10". He's from Martinez, California. Just in case you're looking for something casual or a long-term relationship like Cassidy. And this here is Cassidy. Oh, let me get away. Oh, goodness gracious. He is kind of challenging to look at, but not as challenging as reading that run on paragraph. I'm not even going to act like we need to correct this. This is terrible. Lots of missing punctuation, lots of things that don't make any sense. What the heck is a teething? I don't know. Yeah. Y'all weigh in on Cassidy, who's 42. All right. A woman from Instagram sent me several terrible profiles. She didn't give me this person's name, so we're going to call him Earl. Earl says, "Greetings. If you're reading this, you may be interested and want truth. I'm a man who has made unwise choices in life, which have placed some lean box in my way. No, I'm not that man with the good credit, great job with a passport. I can get one. I'm that man, as in the book, that fell down. Proverbs 24:16. I am very intelligent, kind, confidant, and conscientious as a man. I believe in the values I grew up with. I'm a man with a purpose and a vision. This is my reality as I am a king." He's looking for chatting, friendship, or a long term relationship. He's from Texas. Now, there are quite a few from Texas. And y'all, y'all notice this picture over here in this corner? He has a picture of a person eating a peach on his dating profile. And he also has that with a Bible scripture. What is Proverbs 24:16? Let me Proverbs 24:16. For though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again, but the wicked stumble when calamity strikes. And I guess when they rise again, they fall into peaches. I guess, he did have it kind of squished together. Or maybe that's just because she gave me that collage. But I don't need any censoring strikes. So I added a peach there for you guys. Let me know what y'all think of Earl from Houston, Texas. Okay, so this is Derek. Derek is 56. How some kind of way he is an exact match to what this person is looking for. Okay, but let's read this profile. He says, "Just so we're clear, I'm currently in prison looking for real friends and friendship. If anyone here online has a problem with that, I understand. Just know you'll be missing out on a good man. I'm just happen to be a bad boy. I'm not on a dating app to play games, but I know my worth and I know what I can bring to the table. I don't have life, so I look forward to sharing life with somebody out there. Peace and blessings. Send friend request." So this is Derek, who's 56. Now, this must have been, I wonder how long he's been locked up because these pictures look pretty old, especially that one down at the bottom. But she's sending me these profiles from Texas. And you ladies out in Texas, I really feel for you. I don't know what is going on, but yeah. Derek from Texas, who's 56, in prison. So she did not tell me a name for this person. We're just going to call him Terry. This is Terry. Terry is looking for only one honest and faithful woman to totally commit myself to for the rest of my life. Drug, disease, and drama free, 100% independent, non-violent. That's a plus. Passionate, extremely loving and affectionate, laid back and peaceful, very neat, clean, organized, and love to cook. This is good. Okay. Multi-talented and strictly professional, have morals and values, principles, respect and understanding. Okay, he's using some good words. Would love to be married and inherit a new family. He's 51. Note, if you are ghetto, hood, street, thuggish, smoke, get lost. Why he start cap locking right there? He put some good words in here at first. He put, but then he had to ruin it by hollering at the end. But here's Terry. Terry. Terry got some goals all in his mouth. It looks like I could hear him breathing through this picture. I could hear him breathing. He is breathing heavy. Terry needs to go ahead and get some jogging done, take out them goals out his mouth and stop. And he needs to lower his tone a little bit. His bio is not the most terrible, the most atrocious that I've seen before, but he needs to lower them gold teeth down and go for a run. This is Stanford. He's 66. He sent the young lady a message. He said, "Lady, I want you. I want you. I like you. I want you." This is Stanford, who's 66. Okay, so this is Leonard. He's 44. He says, "I'm a good man looking for a good woman, a loyal woman, and let me make you smile for the rest of your life. I'm 50, not 44. I'm a alpha male, so if you can't submit to a man in every way, I'm not for you. Being said, I like my woman to be a woman, soft, gentle, and kind, one who knows her place because I know mine." Lord, what is wrong with these people who cannot fix their own ages? And he says, "I'm a alpha male." Why must they do this? Why? Ladies, does that make you want to swipe on them? Anyways, if you are looking to submit to Leonard, who's 44, he wants to make you smile as long as you submit and you're soft, gentle, and kind and knows your place. Houston, Texas, they out here giving Georgia a run. They are giving Georgia a run because this is kind of pathetic out here. All right, so I'm not going to be able to hide Charles. Charles is 67. She put pictures all over, so I'm just going to just come out and show you Charles, who's 67. He sent her a message. "Do you date older black men? I'm interested in you, all of you, for life. Just try me out and see where it go. Real talk, feel me." So Charles does not like to use punctuation. "Do you date older black men? I'm interested in you, all of you, for life. Just try me out and see where it go. Real talk, feel me." Now, how long is for the rest of his life? It is cool that he has made it to 67. I am here for it. Lots of men are not durable these days. He is 67. But for the rest of his life, Charles, you should have settled down and treated Miss Esther right. You would still be having that home cooked meal from Miss Esther, but you were a Rolling Stone. You went out, you were acting up, thinking that you were going to get better than Miss Esther. And now here you are sending messages to young tenderonis because your health is failing and you looking for somebody to be your nursing purse. Absolutely not, Charles. Absolutely not. Go and see if you can make it up with Miss Esther. That's all I got for you, Charles, since you can't even use punctuation. Anyways, that is it for today. I think that's enough dustiness. I think that all of us probably have a little bit of asthma. Yes, probably do. Y'all jump in and let me know what you think of these. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.